All right, everyone. I want to take you through one of my favorite movements to help incorporate, first of all, balance, but also hip stability, hamstring flexibility, and just overall helps build a great foundation from the bottom up. It's called the single leg toe touch or kind of a single leg RDL, depending on whether you add weight or not. But I really, really like this one because, again, you can kind of work with whatever motion and in whatever capacity you're able to. But it also just really helps build that base of stability from the feet all the way up to that hip. I'm going to go through a few repetitions and then I'm going to kind of talk to you about different progressions and regressions to this movement so that however you see fit and whatever you're capable of doing, you can continue to do these to help build a strong lower body, again, from the ground up. What I like to do is, first of all, you stand on one foot. It's not a bad idea to do these just barefoot as well so that you can help kind of grip the ground with those feet. But if my left leg is down, I'm going to be using my right hand. Soft bend in the knee. I don't want to see that knee completely locked out. But again, you can bend this one as much or as little as you need to. And then I'm reaching down, trying to touch that toe as I come down. And then I come back up and I reset. You can put your foot down between each repetition. Okay, the more important thing is just that slow and controlled lowering. The other thing that's really common that I see is making sure that the hips stay neutral like this. As you come down, I don't want to see your hips start to get all topsy-turvy, opening up this way, coming down this way. You want to keep your hips neutral the whole time, okay? And so that's why I like to go through and use the opposite hand because that kind of helps prevent that. Again, I'm able to go down and touch the ground. If you don't have the balance, the stability, whether there's pain with that motion, just come down halfway. Come down, touch that knee, back up. Come down, touch that knee, back up. You start to get better with that, come down, mid-shin, back up, eventually progressing all the way to the ground. When you get really good at these, you can slowly start to add weight. Again, that's going to help build strength in that actual hip, in the hamstring. If you feel like you can't even stand on one leg and touch that knee, it's not a bad idea to have something like a PVC pipe or a broom where you have that for stability. And then you slowly just come down to wherever, again, you can work on that day. Back up. Okay, so give that one a try. Just like all rehab movements, I want you to think about practicing the movement, trying to perfect the movement. Okay, I don't want you just going through the repetitions, going through the motions just to go through them. You need to practice this, get really, really good at this, and that just takes time, takes consistency. So again, give this one a try. This one, if you can get really strong with this, your hips are going to feel great, your lower back's going to feel great, you're going to have more flexibility in your hamstrings because we're actually loading that position and not just stretching dynamically. Again, give this one a try and be consistent with this one, and let us know what you think.